aha mukorogo abatura abantu zo kwegesibwa uko bintu kurebera amagara gabo na no kwihara indwara
haruho indwara kwiza aha behavior imico yo gutwara amagara gabo kandi aha indwara kwiza physiological rumbiri ukabata kugera ki ukarwara muri tuza behavior abo cyo kibyo control yitu.
But today, as we tried to test most of them, we managed to identify one positive HIV client, and we have started that patient on treatment. And in total number, cumulatively, we have seen 400 patients.
Okuragururoko kwishurwa bebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe kandi bakwatanise n'abanyadini okwegesa abatura ku bine kurinda amagara gabo.
Anonda kutunguka to kugira washitamera. Wabanonda kureba nyicakare to kugira wagira ki washitamera. Ngo ku Bibuli Isaya eshura 20 aha mshorongo gwakana ogwo kugiraho gwagati ngo Mukama natega murebe ikizire ki ebitegami.
Yeneri cyanca abana tatabakuriza mu dini bakazambuka mu byedini byona bakakuramu bakajecha bakweta sense of shame wasanga umwana takutira kushwara.
Advice indahereza aba members betu no kugira ngo members be go kubika wafuna shinjira 10 rubike urusevinge akandi go rurahinduke mu mutwaro kandi kaba miliyoni konketi zibu ba members ko baracakufuna shinjira 10 bazitwara mu kezi dine mu gasho bazipendinga kandi ezo nzo zirakore sente zibarenda umagara gabo.
Abembezi babitire ku People's Sako basimira government ya NRM abo kubahwereka batanaciraho sakweje.
Government na honorable member wa parliament witu kandi deputy speaker habwi shenjero ya Uganda byo na hamwe tubasimira kimwe abo kuba government niyo yatandikire Sako yitu umwaka gwa 1999
Tereko People's Sako etekatekera amagaraga ba member babo ikabaretera kampu kandi ntegateka butyomwe uwishaha yaraguye abo kubatushemerirwe emibazi yabeho
Gashaka Mike watwachire